Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 67. केवळ पोटाची या ओढी, ऐंद्रजाली लौकिक गारोडी, फिरवून भारली हाडाची कांडी, पदार्थ काढी माने तो. A popular conjurer or juggler, merely to earn his livelihood, can produce whatever you ask for by waving his magic wand. साईनाथ अलौकिक गारोडी, कायतयांच्या खेळाची प्रौढी, इच्छा होता न भरताची पडी, फुटाणे काढील अगणित. But Sainath is a divine conjurer. What can be said about the prowess of his feat? When he willed, he produced innumerable grams on the spur of the moment. परी या कथेचे सार काय, तेथेच आपण घालू ठाय, पाचा पोटी कोणताही विषय, बाबांशिवाय सेवू नये. But what is the moral of this story? Let us concentrate on it. Do not enjoy any object with any of our five senses without first remembering Baba. मनास देता ही शिकवण, वेळोवेळी होईल आठवण, देता घेता साई चरण, अनुसंधान राहील. When the mind is trained in this way, we will be always reminded of him. The attention will be at Sai's feet in all transactions. हे शुद्ध ब्रह्म सगुण मूर्ती, नयनासमोर राहील निश्चिती, उपजेल भक्ती मुक्ती विरक्ती, परमप्राप्ती लाधेल. That incarnation of pure Brahma will ever remain before the eyes, and then devotion, liberation, and non-attachment would arise. Salvation will be achieved. नयनी देखता सुंदर ध्यान, हरेल संसार भूक तहान, हरपेल ऐहिक सुखाचे भान, मन समाधान पावेल. When this beautiful form is fixed before our mental vision, we forget hunger, thirst, and the mundane existence. The consciousness of worldly pleasures will disappear, and our mind will attain peace. ओवी नाठवे आठवू जाता, परीती आठवे जात्यावर बसता, तैसी ही चणकलीला कथिता, सुदाम कथा आठवली. When one makes an effort to recall a stanza, it does not come to mind, but it springs to the mind as soon as one sits down to grind. Similarly, while narrating the Leela of the Grams, I recall the story of Sudama. एकदा रामकृष्ण सुदामा, सेवित असता गुरुवाश्रमा, लाकडे आणावयाचे कामा, कृष्ण बलरामा पाठविले. Once, when Balram, Krishna and Sudama were serving in the Guru's ashram, Krishna and Balram were sent to fetch firewood. Guru Patniची या नियोगे, कृष्ण बलराम अरण्य मार्गे, निघाले मात्र तो तयांच्या मागे, सुदामा संगे पाठविला. No sooner than Krishna and Balram had set out on the way to the forest, at the behest of the Guru's wife, that Sudama was sent after them. तयापाशी दिधले चणे, क्षुधा लागता फिरता अरण्ये, तिघाही हे भक्षण करणे, गुरुपत्नीने आज्ञापिले. He was given some quantity of grams. The Guru's wife instructed that all three of them should eat them in case they felt hungry while roaming in the forest. पुढे रानात कृष्ण भेटता, दादा तहान लागली म्हणता, फुटाण्यांची वार्ता न करिता, परिसावदता झाला ते. Later, he met Krishna in the forest, who said, Dada, I am thirsty. Without mentioning the grams, listen to what he said.